Kung baga sa libro, bawat po isa sa atin ay merong chapter that we will not read aloud. Kung baga, kung babasahin mo natin, silent reading lang. Yun yung mga kwento ng pagkatalo, heartbreak, kalungkutan sa buhay. Lahat po tayo ay merong dinaramdam na sakit, pain, that are sitting silently in the corners of our souls. Or darkness that grows heavier with every passing day. Kaya lang, we learn to live with it. Para kahit papano, makapag-smile tayo and show the world that we are happy. Pero syempre, pilit nating tinatago yung mga luha natin and pretend that everything is fine. Pero yung totoo, tanggapin man natin o hindi. Bawat po isa sa atin, we are all fighting battles that no one else can see. We carry the burdens that no one else can feel. Tayo lamang. Pero kung minsan naisip natin, di ba? Kailan kaya matatapos yung pakikipaglaban natin? When do we stop fighting? When do we stop pretending? Siguro mangyayari lamang ito pag tinanggap natin or natanggap na natin. We just need to feel the pain, accept, move on, recover, and eventually heal from the pain. Tuloy ang buhay.